In this video, we will show you how to install macOS Catalina on Virtualbox. The all requirements you need is first, you can get the macOS Catalina, the ISO. You can download this file. It's 8.7 approximately gigabytes. Then you need also install Virtualbox. In here, we need also the command, okay, because I'm using Virtualbox 6.1, so I'm using this command. This is for Virtualbox 5 or higher. We will execute this based on our Virtualbox or virtual machine name, and if you are using Virtualbox 5 below, you can using this code. Then we need to create virtual machine first. Let's type make sn, for example. You can select the version suitable with your version of macOS, because the Catalina not so in here, we can just using macOS 64-bit. Click next, and you can allocate the memory. For example, I'm using approximately 7 gigabytes, and click next, and we will create a virtual hard disk now. Okay, using dynamically allocated, and I will make approximately about 59 until 60 gigabytes and click create. Then you can click settings. Okay, this is the most important. Then you can click system. You can select processor, and you can make sure this is the maximum, if available, is in the green. Okay, and we don't need floppy, and make sure the EFI is enabled in here like this. And display, just give this the maximum, and storage point the empty of our SATA port 1 into our ISO file of Catalina, and click OK or open in here. Then in here you can also select the USB, but let it by default and click OK. Now you can close the Virtualbox. This is the important step. Then open the command prompt. Okay, like this. Then because we are using Virtualbox 6, copy all this and paste into Notepad or whatever editor you like. Okay, then replace the virtual machine name into our virtual machine name in Virtualbox. Okay, we can copy this, and you can press Ctrl or using edit and replace. This is you can type Mac SN like this and replace all. Then you can copy all this command. Okay, make sure the Virtualbox is closed and open your command prompt. Right click to paste and hit enter. Okay, after successfully, we can continue the installation. Then open our Virtualbox. After that, we can click start in here. Then we can close the main window of Virtualbox to save the memory. Wait until macOS ISO is loaded. Then we can do first to create partition of hard disk to erase, and then we can continue the installation. here we need to waiting because the loading of macOS is take a few minutes. Okay, this is still loading. In here we can click English for the language. Click next, and in this window the first is you need to using this utility and click continue. Then you need to go to VirtualBox hard disk media in here and click the erase. Okay, type you want of the name for partition. In here I'm just mk like this and click erase. Then you can click done and close the window and choose install macOS and click continue. In here you can click continue and agree for the license and click agree and select the mk and click install. In here we need the process, and you can also restore the window like this. It's whatever you like. Okay, this take much time, so I will skip some not important moments like loading like this. Okay, then you need to select your region in here and click continue. And for spoken language of written also, you can also click continue. Usually we are using English United States keyboard layout. Data privacy, just click continue, and we don't want to sign in or transfer any data. Okay, you can skip this step, and for the terms you can click agree. This is must field. We can give the account name in here, and don't forget to using easy password for remember, and click continue. Click continue in here, continue again for analytics. Okay, screen time we can skip, Siri also don't tick, and click continue. And as for my experience, this Catalina is this is continue is the smoothest installation to use on VirtualBox. This is setting up your Macs. Okay, for everything you need like the ISO files, the command prompt, or the additional files, you can download the link on video description. And this is the appearance of macOS Catalina, and we successfully installed this operating system. We can use this macOS to do some works later. Okay, hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you think it is useful, you can subscribe.